Welcome everyone to my channel Ramsim Tech Edu. Today we are here to discuss about a recruitment. This recruitment is from Mindtree Recruitment 2021 and the job category is about train. So this is an off-campus recruitment. So this is a very important recruitment. So anyone can apply who is in the last year of their colleges. So let's start this video. If I'll talk about this company, Mindtree, so it's a very good company for the BSc and BCA graduates who are completed their BSc and BCA very nearly, so they can apply in this company. This company is very reputed. So this company is based upon development, maintenance, infrastructure, support, testing. So it's a good company. You can go for this company. Now let's talk about this recruitment. Your job category will be a training and job type should be a full time. Okay. So salary has not disclosed this time, but you can expect good salary as this recruitment is from Mindtree. So this is a startup uh, it's a startup, so you can expect many things in this startup. Like you will get to know about many things. Okay, so it's a good start for your career. Okay, so job location will be across India. You can go for job across India in any city, in any state. Okay, number of openings not mentioned this time, so it's good to do this uh, apply for this recruitment as soon as possible. And desired experience is fresher, so anyone can apply for this recruitment. And your batch should be 2021, so it means like you have completed your uh, graduation in 2021. Okay, so let's move forward. Your eligibility criteria is you have the graduate degree of BSc or BCA, okay, and your academic performance should be at least 60% in your college, in your graduation, okay. And if I'll talk about additional criteria, what should be the additional criteria? So core mathematics should be in your graduation. Mathematics should not be considered as business mathematics or applied mathematics. It should be a core mathematics, okay. And full-time or UGC recognized education in 10th, 12th, diploma and graduation. It should be there. Okay. And distance learning or part-time degree will not be considered because it's the criteria of this placement. Okay. And if I'll talk about graduation, so graduation should have been completed in 3 years with no gaps. There should be no gap. So if these criteria that is mentioned here is fulfilling, then you can apply for this placement. So do it as soon as possible. And let's move forward. If I'll talk about hiring process, what will be your hiring process? So first there will be a aptitude test, and second a technical test, and then there will be a HR interview. And after clearing these three steps, you will get this job. Okay, so let's move toward and see how we can apply for this job. Okay, so this is the page from where you can apply for this job. So I'll mention this link in the description box, where from where you can apply for this job. Okay, so here is your apply now button. Click on this button. Here some criteria are mentioned. You can read this criterias. Okay, and now here you have a form where you have to fill all the details and move forward by clicking on submit button. So if you find any difficulty in filling this form, you can mention your problem in comment section. I'll reply for this. And till now, I'll meet you in the next video with new recruitment. Until now, thank you.